Warm welcome to my channel, The Desi Analyst. And in last video, there were some background noises, music. So I am starting again from there itself. Okay. So let's start with today's topic: trading for a living or wealth creation. What are you here for in stock market? What is your aim? What is your vision? You should be very clear with your aim, your vision, and then we can plan accordingly. Is it for creating wealth for your parents old age, kids future education, marriage, etc., or is it for a part time income, a side income for monthly expenses and loan EMIs, or is it for both? Wealth creation means investment for long term. Now, long term varies from person to person. Some might think for 5 to 10 years, but wealth creation is for 20 to 30 years and have to be followed in a systematic manner with SEEP. How to get started with wealth creation? Find a standard company or the companies you have heard about in advertising, TV commercials, or somewhere. Okay, like Reliance, TCS, HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited, ITC, etc. Now you will check its fundamental, that is company's earnings, revenues, margins, which is most common. Everyone knows. But what you actually have to find is company's debt, consumption of its products, demand zone in market, government laws and policies on company's product, peer companies performance means competitors performance and their pricing of the same products. Now if you feel the company is good and it's worth investment, then you can check the technical part, which I will cover up on a later stage, and I will make sure that you will learn technical part in minimum time frame. That is, I am planning to make it in 10 to 15 minutes only, but that I will cover up on later stage. But for now you can start paper trade or virtual trade for practicing. See, for practicing only, which will indicate you its market movement with time and other news impact of that particular company, and note it down for a better understanding, so you will be able to understand the up and downs as per the news flow, as per the market movement. How to invest for wealth creation, that is the most important thing, because see, rough basic knowledge everyone will get from here or there, but the core importance is of how to invest for wealth creation. I will cover up this now, but friends, please do comment in the comment section in this YouTube video itself, and whatever queries also you have, no, that also you please put in the comment box itself, and I will try to cover up every query and will reply. Okay, so let's move ahead on how to invest for wealth creation. Simply go through basic fundamentals, check debt, check consumption, check peer performance, and then fix your monthly investment capacity. Fixing monthly investment capacity is important and should be consistent. It is not like that it should be inconsistent. This month I am investing, after for 2 months I am not investing, after 2 months again I am investing. Don't do like this. If you are investing, fix a certain amount and then make it consistent. No matter whatever happens, once you plan and once you start, then keep investing regularly on monthly basis, so you get average rate. Average rate is a must. Now what is average rate? Simple. The price action of the particular month will give you power of maintaining average, no matter it's up or down. You will be entering it and your average will set by itself. Means if you are investing it regularly on higher levels or on lower levels, there will be no difference because your investment will be consistent and your entry will be consistent. So you will maintain an average which will be set by itself. Say for example, your monthly capacity for wealth creation is say 10,000 rupees. Best I prefer is daily buying. So in 30 days a month, in 30 days a month we get approximately 22 working days. Divide 10,000 by 22 working days, it comes 454 rupees daily. Means less than 500 rupees daily. Now this is your daily limit of investment. So buy only and only for 454. No less, no more. That is in round figure according to the script you can do. Like it will come around 450, 430, 440 rupees, whatever. But the average should be maintained. The daily buy limit should be maintained and it should go consistently and systematically. If XYZ script is say of rupees 200, then buy only two quantities which will cost you 400. Rest 54 into 2 will be 108 rupees, and in 2 days it will be 216 left out, which on third day you can utilize in buying one more quantity. That is, on every third day you can buy additional one more quantity. So your average will again get set by itself. This is the beauty of investing daily. This is basic step and easy way you can plan your investment, where you will get daily price action entry, maintaining your average and creating wealth. So how the calculation goes? Now how to buy daily with smartness, that too without utilizing your savings. Yes, my friends, you are hearing it very right. Without utilizing your savings means you are not investing anything from your pocket till now. What you are going to do? Let's see. Just a little smartness needed. Intra, take a small cash trade of 500 quantity or say 200 quantity, whichever is suitable for you. So take a small cash trade of 500 quantity for just 1 rupees profit, only 1 rupee profit. Earn and then invest it. Then invest it in wealth creation. This 500 rupees which you are earning from trading, you have to simply invest it in creating wealth. But you need to do this without any greed, without any fear, and have to follow simple discipline. And with sheer discipline, particularly focusing and considering only and only one buck. That is, you have to be very particular. You don't have to be greedy. You have to simply take 500 rupees. Even if you are damn sure no that it will move ahead, I can earn 800, I can earn 1000 in this trade. But don't do this, please. Consistency is the main thing. 500 means 500 rupees, only 500 rupees you have to earn. This should be your first and foremost priority, and you have to book out that 500 rupees and then you can invest it. $500 daily into 20 days. Also, if I am considering 20 days, that is 10,000 a month and 1,20,000 per annum, and for 10 years it's 12 lakh. Similarly, for 20 years it will be 24 lakhs. This is just from intraday trading. If you see a 500 rupees daily, if you are investing, if you are earning consistently without any greed, then just imagine these 24 lakh rupees in 20 years, which will be very helpful for your future, for your retirement, for your kids' education, their marriages, etc. So, plan accordingly, go slowly, go steadily, go with consistency, without any fear, without any greed. Just follow, simply follow every day. And everyone, I'm sure everyone can earn 500 rupees in market daily, on daily basis, no matter whatever the trend is, no matter whatever the condition is. 500 everyone can earn. If one person thinks that no, 500 I want to book 500, then everyone can earn, that is for sure. Now, if you are, see, if you are earning 500 rupees daily, if you are investing daily basis 500 rupees, then what happens? Your average will get set by itself. Okay, you don't have to put any kind of capital, you're saving from your own pocket. That is the beauty, that is the main thing. And whatever comes, dividend, bonuses, that will be surplus for you. Now, how to use your own capital, the savings into wealth creation. Till now, I have shown you the only profit of 500 rupees from intraday trading which you are investing. But if you want to invest your savings, your capital, then how to do it? See, in market you will see panic fall. Every year you will see panic fall in market, and particular day the script goes down 5 to 8%, and in panic week it in month overall you see 20-30% correction, even 40% correction also you can see, if fall also you can see. Or individual company negative news tanking the stock price down, that time utilize your savings, your capital, and invest 10 to 20% of your capacity that time. So what will happen when others will be in panic? That time you will be in freedom. See how you are creating opportunities. This is only smartness. Okay. So the best, where maximum people are in panic, you are in the freedom of accumulation. Isn't it? Now next is medium and short term investment, that will cover up in next video. And friends, do write me in comment box whatever your queries are, whatever your doubts are. Write in videos comment box itself. Please don't mail me this time. I am requesting you. It is very difficult for me to reply in mails, though I know many of you will be mailing me, but it's a request. Please write in the comment box. If your query is very long, or if you are having many doubts, then it is okay. If you want to mail me, that is the desianalyst@gmail.com. And do follow me on Telegram, that is t.me/the Desi Analyst, or simply on Telegram search the Desi Analyst. And on Twitter also you can follow me @the Desi Analyst. Okay, see you next time.